welcome everybody. This is Outdoors Maryland. I'm Sam, and we had a great idea, at least we think we do. We did an appetizer, and it's called Crabbies. And if you want to see that, that's 2 videos back. I'll put a couple of the links up. Everything will be in the description. So while we were doing this, we actually had an idea. Make another appetizer out of it. This is from Kristen Lennox. That's from Hooked on OC. You can see him on YouTube. I'll put that in the description. They have a TV show out of Ocean City, Maryland, and everything they put on TV, they actually stick on YouTube. Okay, so you can watch anything. So they did this appetizer called Crabbies, and that's what we did a couple videos back. So that's going to be 1 stick of softened butter. Now what I did is I'm going to use unsalted butter. The cheese here, which is called Old English Spreads cheese. We have garlic salt, seasoned salt. We have mayonnaise is going to go with it, and some crab meat. Now what we have here is 1.5 pounds of crab meat. We're not going to use it all. I'm only going to use probably, this recipe calls for 1/2 pound of crab meat. The only thing I want you to watch out for with the Crabbies is, if you look at the crab meat that I have here, you can see it's really seasoned. We steam our crabs with JO #2. So as we're picking them and picking and all that stuff, all that seasoning gets into the crab meat that we have. So it's really salty. So when you add seasoned salt and you add the seasoned salt and the garlic salt, you could overdo it because we had so much crab meat. So most of the time, if you're going to go buy your crab meat, they're usually steamed with no seasonings. My idea is that because this cheese recipe is pretty nice and you can make it into balls. So we're going to actually shut up. We're going to make them into little tiny balls, and what we're going to do, balls. And so what I did was I actually went and got some plain unseasoned Panko. Okay, I got some cheeses. This is a 4 cheese cheez-its. I got these and I crushed them up. I probably could crush them up a little bit more finer, but I mixed them with the Panko. Okay, so we're going to make fried Crabbies. We're just going to fry them and see what they taste like for another appetizer. So we're going to get the fryer out and get that ready. Now we've never done it. We have no idea how it's going to turn out. We don't have no clue what it's going to be, how it's going to turn out. But we figured it'd be fun. It's a Sunday. It's 20-mile-an-hour winds out there, and
cold.
And it's kind of cold. It's about 35, 40 degrees right now. So we're going to stay in and we're going to make it. All right, so stick around. So this is an experiment, and I'm thinking that it's too cheesy right now. They taste pretty goddamn good, I can tell you that. But because they're so soft, rolling in there looks like it's been okay. But I said, what the hell? Why don't I just add it in there? Easier. See how I can
mold it. There you go.
So after we try like 1 or 2 of them, frying it, we'll see how they turn out. We are not uniform. This way, and maybe save 1 or 2 with just the breadcrumbs and see how it turns out with that. So I can probably just put it in the flour. A little egg wash.
It's like a double coating.
Yeah. Now this is plain breadcrumbs, not no cheez-its.
Give it lots of flavor.
And we'll see. Let's see how it turns out. This is fun, making stuff up.
Tudor recipes.
We got the deep fryer here. So we did a couple with just the breadcrumbs the first time, and we're going to see how that turns out. And then we did these twice. So we actually added some breadcrumbs with the Cheez-Its in it, and then did the flour, egg wash. Now we're just going to wait for them. We're going to wait for them to get golden brown. We're trying to keep an eye on them. We want to make sure that they don't get all stuck together.
Yeah, they're not.
So on 350 degrees.
Starting to get brown color.
All right, so everything's cooked. So now we got them nice. They're nice and golden brown. Now we can definitely going to make them smaller next time.
And they're nice and hard.
Yeah.
So that shelling did well.
Let's try these right here.
Okay.
And see how they'll work. So we're going to try the ones that we didn't redo twice. The first time, all we did was mixture, breadcrumbs, and the crab meat, and that's it. And we're going to take a look and see. That one's pretty soft. See how this is falling apart? See how it's starting to bubble like that?
Yeah, I'm not liking that. But let it go. Just let me feel that.
I think it's melting.
You think? Think? But she already coated it. Oh, Jesus. Okay. We need a...
That didn't work. They did, that did.
Oh, man. Now I really got to clean.
Moment of truth. Not good. They look good. So it is the wife's.
Oh, I got to do the test taster.
You get the test.
I want a little one.
Put the one right there on top.
Yeah.
Crab meat.
No.
Cheese.
It's cheese.
Cheesy.
Chiz.
With that. Are we already good or?
Yep. Eat something. Need sauce.
Stop saying that.
No, but I use sauce
Stop
and
saying
everything. No, it's good.
Now she'll probably dip this in marinara sauce, which
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
understand, but
Well, why not? Yeah, that'd be great.
now I'm gonna try one.
Yeah. It's fine. It's not salty. I don't think it tastes salty or anything.
I don't taste salty at all.
Mm-mm.
Now that's a good appetizer right there, man. So what we do in our household, my wife, we can sit outside and we barbecue, and we will smoke a brisket all day long, and you work all that time to get this great meat, the taste of the meat. And my wife, she slazzes just barbecue, you name it. She puts all that crap on there. So we made these, and she goes, "Look, let's put some Old Bay hot sauce on it." And so I'm going to try it. She just tried it. She goes, "Oh my God, that's so good." So I'm going to try it with some Old Bay hot sauce on it. Old Bay hot sauce.
Gives it a kick.
Oh wow, good grief.
You like it, see?
Old Bay hot sauce.
That's good stuff.
Yeah, we like it hot.
Yeah, it's good.
And this ain't spicy. It's hot sauce, but man, that's really good. Okay, that's really good. That's really good. The Old Bay hot sauce.
Yep.
The
Delish.
Old Bay hot sauce. Cheesy obey.
Yep.
All right. Thank you for sticking around. We appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up because that helps the channel out. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.